Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the neon lines filter on Snapchat. So this is the effect. To get this effect you can, let me remove this first. So to get this effect you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the snap code for this filter. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snap code with your Snapchat mobile app. And if you're browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snap code and you will see this pop-up. Now tap on unlock for 48 hours. Okay, and you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter and use this filter on Snapchat, and if you want to use this in Instagram or TikTok, you can just record a video here and you can save the video to your camera roll, and from there you can use them in TikTok or Instagram. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.